As early as the first quarter of 2008, Russia, China, and other countries are on a gold buying spree. Central banks of these countries were getting their hands on every piece of gold they could. Many thought it was a risky move. After all, we don't barter anymore. We buy things using money. But buying gold is anything but risky. In fact, it was the safest move they ever could have made, and there's no other time that proves just how right they were than this time to invest in gold. So why are central banks buying gold, you may ask? The main motivation is different for each country, but the reasoning is pretty simple. Gold's value is constant. It is the safest investment. Top buyers of gold, Russia, Japan, China, France, and a lot of Middle Eastern countries wanted to be less dependent on the US dollar, but still have the security of knowing that they have the same amount of wealth regardless of the country they're dealing with. Instead of keeping dollars, they decided to convert part of their foreign wealth to gold. This is a known fact, which leads us to the next point. If gold has always been known for its unwavering value, why did the gold buying spree only start in 2008? The gold buying spree started after the global economic crash in 2008. Countries realized that dependence on other countries' economy is a sure way to fail on their own. They started looking for an investment that's just a little less risky, but not related to any variable, and it's safe. Gold was the only investment that fit the bill. Gold's value depends on itself. For as long as it's demanded, and for as long as the demand is more than the supply, its value will keep on going up. Although known primarily as a material for jewelry, it is in fact used in many industries such as electronics, computers, dentistry, aerospace, and in the medical industry. In many instances, gold cannot be substituted with any other material the way you can substitute other metals. Gold's rarity, usability, and natural indestructibility make it such a valuable and desirable metal. It's considered an international currency because it has the same value regardless of where you are in the world. For countries who trade with other countries, having $1 million worth of gold in a central bank means you have $1 million when you trade with a European country or China or the US or any other country for that matter. What does this mean for the future of gold? More and more countries are catching on. Emerging markets are beefing up their gold holdings, undeterred by prices near their highest levels because they know it will keep on climbing. More importantly, their motivation is to secure an allocation of a percentage of their overall foreign exchange reserves in actual physical gold bullion. With central banks continuing their buying spree of gold, it is only tipping the supply and demand scale in the favor of gold. More importantly, when central banks are hoarding gold, it motivates other central banks to do the same. The buying spree hasn't stopped for many countries, and it's a very good time for you to jump on the bandwagon now. Investing in gold will secure your investment the same way it has secured many of our clients, the same way it has secured countries upon countries. It is a good time to get into gold. It's a good time to learn about gold. It's a good time to get educated. Check out noblegoldinvestments.com. We have free guides on gold, silver, platinum, palladium, and you can definitely learn about why investors, why countries are buying physical gold. Thanks so much.